Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Christmas cups is probably one of the most festive and practical ways to enjoy your favorite holiday beverages this season, whether you're sipping on hot cocoa, mulled wine, or a special festive latte, ensuring that your warm drinks stay warm and your cold drinks stay cool, all while adding a touch of holiday cheer to your day with their charming designs and convenient lids that prevent spills and keep the warmth in, making them an essential accessory for any Christmas gathering or cozy night in. Number 5. Fit Meal Prep 16 ounces Disposable Coffee Cups. Never worry about spills again. This set includes everything you need to enjoy your favorite hot beverages on the go. They are made from durable, recyclable paper to keep your drink warm and your hands cool. Enjoy peace of mind with our cups, which are food safe, BPA-free, and PFAS-free. They are manufactured under strict protocols, ensuring a dependable choice for all your hot or cold drinks. Experience a truly spill-free journey. Our secure lids lock in beverage temperature, while the rolled rim ensures smooth sipping. Plus, the insulated sleeve keeps your hands comfortably protected. Designed for your busy life, these cups are perfect for commutes and quick trips. They offer grab-and-go convenience and come in various sizes to fit any drink. With a clean, white design, these cups are perfect for any occasion. Personalize them for events or simply enjoy their classic look at home or in the office. What we like. These cups are designed for ultimate convenience and safety. If you're looking for a reliable cup that won't leak and keeps your hands comfortable, this is the one. They are perfect for busy mornings or when you need a dependable to-go option. What people say. Leak-proof, reliable, and even if you forget and your cup sits out for a day, there is no breakthrough leaks. This is a real plus. You can use this all day long. I make tea and coffee in this to grab and go. I have found it is absolutely reusable too. The cup stays sealed no matter. I have poured boiling water into it, no problem. The lids fit securely without leaking, and the included sleeves do a great job of protecting your hands from the heat. It's a high-quality, reliable set that's perfect for the price for home or office use. Great quality cups and the lids do not leak like some I have bought elsewhere. Number 4. Juvale Floral Paper Coffee Cups with Lids, 24 count, 16 ounces. Introducing our stylish floral paper coffee cups with lids. They beautifully blend aesthetics and practicality, perfect for any coffee lover. These cups are ideal for serving both hot and cold beverages. They bring convenience and elegance to everything from wedding receptions to office meetings. This set includes 24 disposable cups with lids, offering a complete solution for your events. They are best suited for moderate temperatures. Crafted from high-quality, compostable paper with a glossy finish, these cups are an eco-conscious choice for your drinkware needs. With a 16-ounce capacity, they hold generous servings. Their convenient dimensions make them easy to hold and fit standard cup holders. What we like. Add a touch of style to your event with these beautifully designed cups. If you appreciate aesthetics and want an eco-friendly option for your party or gathering, these are a fantastic choice. They are ideal for bridal showers, parties, or any occasion where presentation matters. What people say. The cups are sturdy and the lids are better than most of the other disposable coffee cups I've ordered in the past year. Go to coffee cups for bridal and baby showers. Such great quality. Perfect size and really helps elevate your event. Love these cups. They are sturdy, girly, and the lids don't make you frustrated. I've had plastic lids on coffee cups that feel like they cut you when you drink, pop off, or make your drink dribble. None of these are issues with this cup. Number 3. For Ease Novelty Christmas Paper Cups with Lids, 12-pack. Start your holiday sipping in festive style with these cups. They add holiday charm to every drink and are perfect for coffee, hot cocoa, and tea. These disposable cups keep your beverage warm and your hands safe, making every holiday moment merrier. Hosting a holiday gathering? This 12-pack has everything you need, from cups to napkins. Each cup includes a matching lid, sleeve, and napkin, keeping drinks tidy and warm. Your guests can enjoy their drinks in full holiday spirit, making every gathering easy and festive. Make every cup merry with these disposable cups, featuring 4 unique holiday styles. Add cheerful, festive vibes to each sip at any hot cocoa bar or holiday buffet. They're perfect for seasonal gatherings, turning any moment into a celebration with ease and style. Spread warmth this season with these hot chocolate cups. They are perfect for creating DIY hot cocoa gift sets. These disposable cups make thoughtful gifts for neighbors, coworkers, or anyone who loves adding a little extra cheer to their holiday drink. Busy holiday season ahead? These to-go cups keep your drinks warm as you shop, carol, or dash through the snow. Made for seasonal convenience, they bring festive spirit to every sip, ensuring a warm, merry moment wherever you go. What we like? Get into the holiday spirit with these cheerful Christmas-themed cups. If you're hosting a holiday party, setting up a hot cocoa bar, or looking for a unique gift idea, this set has you covered. They are perfect for spreading holiday cheer at any festive gathering or as a thoughtful DIY gift. What people say. Adorable and perfect for a hot chocolate bar. Cute designs, good quality. The sleeves were even designed. These cups, tops, and sleeves are fantastic. Easy to use, everything fits perfectly. These were lovely cups for my kids' hot chocolate party. They kept the drinks warm and the sleeves protected their hands. I'll definitely recommend for hot beverages. Number 2. Sparkle and Bash to-go coffee cups with lids, 48 count. Elevate your gatherings with our festive disposable coffee cups. They are perfect for serving hot beverages like cocoa, tea, and coffee, ensuring your celebrations are memorable and stylish. These cups are ideal for a variety of occasions, adding a festive touch to winter weddings and New Year's parties. Their durable construction makes them suitable for cafes, restaurants, and everyday use. Crafted from robust paper and polyethylene, these cups promise durability and long-lasting enjoyment. The reliable design ensures that each sip of your favorite warm beverage is satisfying. Each cup holds up to 16 ounces of your preferred hot drink. They are perfectly sized for cozy sipping during chilly days or festive gatherings, offering comfort and warmth. The pack includes 48 multicolored disposable cups with lids and sleeves, adorned with charming holiday designs. They provide a stylish and convenient option for large groups, making every event effortlessly chic. What we like? Ensure you're always ready for guests with this generous pack of festive cups. If you need a stylish and convenient option for a larger gathering or holiday event, these are ideal. They offer a vibrant and practical solution for serving hot beverages during the festive season. What people say. Cups and sleeves are adorable. Lids fit nice and snug. The whole family loved these for the hot chocolate bar for Christmas time. They were very sturdy and good size, held the heat well, did not leak. The thickness was great. Would definitely order again for other holidays. Used these from Thanksgiving through New York. Added everyday smile of festivity and fun to simple coffee or hot chocolate. Number 1. JOYIN 16-ounce Christmas disposable paper cups. Get ready for your festive gatherings with our 16-ounce Christmas paper cups. This set includes 24 cups and 4 unique holiday designs, perfect for serving all your guests. Crafted from food-grade paper, these cups are safe and durable for both hot and cold beverages. You can trust their quality for any occasion. Enjoy your drinks without worry. Each cup comes with a secure lid to prevent spills and a sleeve to protect your hands from heat. Simplify your party planning and cleanup with these disposable cups. They are ideal for serving a variety of drinks like coffee, tea, or soda. These versatile cups are a must-have for Christmas, New Year's, birthdays, and any other celebration. Make your holiday beverages even more special. What we like? Celebrate the holidays with these versatile and well-made Christmas cups. If you need a reliable and festive drinkware option for a variety of winter occasions, from parties to family gatherings, these are a great fit. They offer both style and functionality for all your seasonal beverage needs. What people say. The designs are adorable, and the included sleeves and lids made them perfect for both hot cocoa and cider. Sturdy, cute, and added just the right touch of holiday cheer to the table. Total must-have. Very festive. Goodbye if you are in the need for disposable travel cups and if you want to use one of each design to play a holiday game. Just need to be mindful when putting on the lid, but it fits tight and doesn't leak when you do. The different designs in these cups are very cute. I have ordered 2 different themes and each is great. I have found the cups to be sturdy and hold up well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.